Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, my dear student, in the last lectures, we studied the individual metals like sodium, magnesium, and calcium. But today, we will study the most important and very interesting topic, which is soft and hard metals. So let's understand soft and hard metals step by step. Now, first one is soft metals. Definitions of soft metals. My dear student, soft metals are those metals which can be easily cut with a knife and have comparatively low hardness. Example, sodium, potassium, lithium. Now, characteristics of soft metals. Maria String, the first characteristic is low density, mean they are light metals. The second one, low melting points. They melt at relatively low temperatures. Third one, softness, mean can be easily cut with a knife. Sodium, like sodium and potassium. And the fourth one is reactivity. They're very reactive, especially with water and oxygen. And the fifth one, storage. They are kept in kerosene oil to prevent reaction with air and moisture. And the sixth one is good conductors, mean soft metals conduct heat and electricity. Now, hard metals. Definition of hard metal. Maria Student, hard metals are those which are strong, hard, and cannot be cut easily. Example, magnesium, Mg, calcium, Ca, iron, Fe, copper, Cu. Now, characteristics of hard metals. Registering the first characteristic as high density. They are heavier compared to soft metals. Second one, high melting points. They melt at much higher temperatures. Third one, hardness, means strong and cannot be cut with a knife. And the fourth one, reactivity, less reactive compared to alkali metals. And the fifth one, strain, used in construction and manufacturing due to their strength. And the sixth one is conductivity, good conductors of heat and electricity. Now, comparison of soft and hard metals. Comparison of soft and hard metals. Property. First one is example. Soft metal. Example of soft metal is sodium, potassium, lithium. And example of magnesium, calcium, iron is the example of hard metals. Main examples of soft metal is sodium, potassium, lithium are soft and cut easily with a knife, while example of hard metal is magnesium, calcium, iron, which cannot be cut easily. And the second property is density. Soft metal have low density, while hard metal has high density. Third one, melting point. Soft metal have low melting point, while hard metal high hardness. Soft metal can be cut with a knife, while hard metals cannot be cut with a knife. And then reactivity. Soft metal are highly reactive, while hard metals are less reactive. And last one, strength. Soft metal are weak, not strong, while hard metals are strong, used in industries. Now, uses of soft and hard metals. Soft metals used in medicine, atomic reactor like lithium and its reducing agents, while hard metals used in construction, machinery tools, wires, and daily life objects. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on soft and hard metals. I hope you understand. So if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.